Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure LinkedIn group strategy for hiring and referrals, detailed guide step by step clearly. Identify your hiring goals and the type of candidates you are seeking. Research relevant LinkedIn groups that align with your hiring needs. Join groups that focus on your industry, role, and specific skills you want in candidates. Review group rules and guidelines to ensure compliance with posting and interaction policies. Engage actively in conversations within these groups. Share valuable content relevant to the industry to position yourself as an authority. Respond to questions and provide insights to build relationships with group members. Establish a consistent presence by participating regularly, but avoid being overly promotional. When appropriate, post job openings in the group, highlighting unique values of your organization. Encourage group members to share referrals, emphasizing any incentives you may offer. Monitor discussions for potential candidates who demonstrate expertise in their field. Reach out privately to members who engage positively, exploring mutual interests. Encourage employees to join and engage in these groups to expand your reach. Leverage group connections for informational interviews or to learn more about potential candidates. Utilize polls or surveys to understand candidate preferences and insights about the hiring process. Evaluate group engagement and effectiveness regularly, adjusting your strategy as needed. Document successful practices and learnings to refine your approach over time. Create a strategy for ongoing engagement, ensuring a long-term presence in these groups. Foster community within your organization by sharing success stories from group interactions. Continuously seek new groups that emerge relevant to your hiring needs and industry trends. Be patient and persistent, as building relationships and finding the right candidates takes time. Remember to respect group dynamics and the contributions of other members throughout your strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.